So what do 90 spam calls and a mortgage application have to do with each other? They shouldn't have anything to do with each other, but unfortunately in the current market, we are seeing that they do. So my name is Stephanie Johnston here with the Johnston team and here to help with all your mortgage financing needs. What we've seen over the last couple of months is an increase in what we call trigger leads. The credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian can actually sell your information to people that you did not approve, and they can call you. They sell your information based on activities such as mortgage inquiries or maybe auto inquiries, other types of inquiries where someone else is going to solicit you for services. So one would think that's fine, get some other quotes, that's not an issue. But what it's turned into is something very different. We've had clients that have gotten upwards of 90 phone calls just by applying for a mortgage, which is crazy. In one day, by the way, one day. What these people are doing, unfortunately, is we've had some of them pretend to be the original lender. So say that they called and they are pretending to be someone else and getting information out of you. Number one, completely deceptive, shouldn't be able to hold a mortgage license. Turning those people in as we see them, it's just not okay. The next thing that we're seeing some of these lenders basically say they can do things that they can't. If you were needing to call out and cold call people, and you were trying to get someone to call you back out of 90 other phone calls in the day, some lenders have taken that to the extreme to offer things that cannot actually be provided. What they're not supposed to do in mortgage, but we've seen it. What is happening here is we don't want someone scared to not pull credit or not go forward, but there's a couple steps that can prevent this in full. There's what's called opt-out pre-screen. It's a website that I'll put into the comments below. If you go into that site, it's a completely safe place to be. You can actually opt out directly, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, from selling your information to anybody. They're not allowed to do it once you go forward with that. It takes a couple of days to go forward, but it's great. It will work. I've done it on my own credit report and I stopped all the spam calls. The other thing you can do is you can go to the do not call registry. That will also stop some of the solicitations and again, spam calls. It's already a stressful time for some people with purchase. And even again, we make it non-stressful over here. Just a lot to do. So you don't want to have to weed through the people that do need to call you, like us and your realtor and the title company and insurance, to all these spam people. It's not fun. We want to make sure that you have an option to get rid of that. You know why? And most importantly, that you know that if you applied with Service First Mortgage, we did not sell your information. And we want to make sure that you know who you're talking to with your mortgage. If you do get any of these unwanted calls, you want to verify, is this legit, not legit? Please reach out. We're here to help. So again, optoutprescreen.com, as well as the do not call registry, links directly. Make sure you use those links in my comments below. Reach out if we can provide any assistance with mortgage financing, questions, anything real estate related. Again, Stephanie Johnston with the Johnston team and here to help out with all your real estate needs. Thanks.